Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Weebly website. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to expand your site's content and improve navigation for your visitors. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your home page where you can manage all your websites. Now direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and beneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This action will show you a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website you want to edit from the list. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you can make changes to your site's structure and content. Once you're in the editor, focus on the top menu bar. Here you need to find and click on Pages. This section controls all the pages on your website and is where you'll create your new page. After clicking Pages, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this icon to begin the process of adding a new page. A menu will appear presenting you with several page type options. You can choose from a standard page, blog page, category page, product page, or external page. Each serves a different purpose, so select the one that best fits your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to input a page name. Type in whatever title you want for your new page. Below that, you'll see a header type section where you can select from some design options that determine how your page's header will appear. You also have the ability to adjust visibility settings, which control who can see the page and when it appears in your navigation. Additionally, there are SEO settings available where you can optimize your page for search engines by adding meta descriptions and keywords. Once you've configured everything to your liking, simply click Done. Your new page has now been added to your Weebly website and is ready to be populated with content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.